Hi, I am Perpetua Peter-OGU. Starting from the 1st of June 2024, I am excited to offer a free career counseling program called SIP and Chat. This program is designed to help you discover and rediscover yourself and your passion in a relaxed and fun environment and chart a roadmap to success. Ready to join me in this year's career cruise? The SIP and Chat career cruise flyers are out, and you can register simply by scanning the QR code on the flyer. Let me show you how you can do this with your smartphone in less than 3 minutes. It is super easy. First, QR stands for Quick Response. The QR code is the modern version of the traditional barcode used in accessing websites, making payments, buying tickets, and many more. In fact, most smartphones can scan the QR code using the camera. I'd like to show you how it works on my Android phone, and it works almost the same way on an iPhone. So let's dive right in. A step-by-step guide on scanning a QR code. First, open your camera app. Tap on it. Next, tap on the camera setting at the top left corner. It will open up many features. Look for Scan QR codes and enable it. Then, point your camera at the QR code on the flyer. A link will appear on your phone. Tap the link to go to the registration page. This is the registration page. So here you fill in your contact information, your name, your email, phone number, the country where you're registering from. If you have questions or if you want to make any comment, you go ahead and make it here. And this little square here is the consent to send an email or to call you on your phone, and then you send a message. It is super easy. That's it. You are in for the SIP and Chat career cruise with me. If you have any trouble registering, please feel free to contact me. I can't wait to see you on June 1st. Thank you for watching. Register now and start your journey to success.